How to upgrade weapons for maximum damage in Zombeast. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are on Zombeast and want your weapon to deal as much damage as possible, then upgrading your guns is the right way to make surviving tougher missions much easier. First of all, launch open the Zombeast FPS Zombie Shooter application on your device and get into the main menu. Once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and tap on the Choose Weapon option on the right and it'll take you to this Weapon tab. From here, select your weapon and then go to the right corner. You'll see the Upgrade button. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll be able to upgrade your weapon. So right after you do that, you have successfully upgraded your selected weapon on Zombeast. You'll need to use your coin on weapons you use most, often instead of spreading upgrades across every gun. So this is the gun I use the most, so I just upgraded that gun over here. If you want to upgrade it more, just go ahead and tap on the upgrade button on the right and click on this option over here and you'll be able to upgrade your weapon just like that. These upgrades will make your weapon more effective in different combat situations. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.